morning all. I am Vikas Kumar. I am going to teach you class 6 maths exercise 4B. Class 6B maths exercise 4B. Students, regarding this, some properties are essential to teach you. Here, properties of addition on integers. First is closure property of addition. The sum of two integers is always an integer. Here 3 and 5 are two integers and their sum is 8, so 8 is also integers. Now students, this is associative law of addition. If A, B, C are any three integers, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Here A plus B is in bracket and after is equal to B plus C is in bracket. Students, suppose that here A is equal to minus 5, B is equal to minus 7 and 3 is equal to C is equal to 3. So when minus 5 plus minus 7 plus 3, then 5 minus 7 here minus 12 plus 3. So finally minus 9. Now minus 5 plus minus 7 plus 3 in bracket. According to the A plus B plus C in bracket. Here minus 5 is just before the bracket plus minus 7 plus minus 3, the result is minus 4. And when we add minus 4 and minus 5 and minus 4, the result will minus 9. So A plus B plus C in bracket A plus B, and here A plus B plus C, here A bracket in bracket B plus C are equal according to the associative law of addition. Now students, commutative law of addition. If A and B are any two integers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Here, minus 3 plus 8 equal to 5. And 8 plus minus 3 is equal to 5. So, according to the commutative law of addition, these are equal. Now, we move for exercise 4B. First question is, first 9 plus minus 6. Use the number line and add the following integers. This is add on the number lines. Students, for this, here it is a number line, it is a number. Now here it is a 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9. So we start from 0 to 9 and arrow is just move in the right direction. And plus minus 6. So here 9 is 0 place and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is called as 0. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we come back to 3. So at 9 plus minus 6 will 9 minus 6 equal to 3. 5 is minus 4 plus minus 7. This is 0 and from 0 we go in left direction for negative integers. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 30. We write here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, and minus 13. Minus 4. So we move from 0 to minus 4 in left direction. 0 to minus 4 is this. Again, plus minus 7. So this is will call 0, 4 minus 7. And this minus 5 will call minus 1. So minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We draw our top line to minus 11. Finally, students, result will minus 4 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 4 plus minus 11 on number line. Now question number 7, 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 4. It is 0, it is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. From 0 to left direction, negative integers is found, minus 4. And from 0 to right direction, positive integer is there. Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and so on. Here plus 3. So we move 0 to 3 in right direction. Arrow is just like. And minus 2. So 3 is called here 0. So 1 and 2. So we come back here for minus 2, and for minus 4 it is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 0, it is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine, students, here 3 plus result will our result is minus 3. Just by solving we see here 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 4. So 3 minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, and 3 plus 3 and minus 6 is minus 3. So result is here minus 3. 2 is fill in the blanks. You can solve by yourself. Now question number 3. Add. First question is minus 365 and minus 87. Students, here first question is minus 365 and minus 87. You see here both have same sign. This is called like term. So we add with minus sign. 7 5 is 12 in and 1. 8 6 is 14 1. 15 and 1. And 3 1 is 4. So minus 452 is our answer. Now students, all question of 3 you can solve. Question number 4 is add. First question is minus 206 plus 98. Here both have different signs, so it is called unlike term, student. So here student, here which number is greater? Here 206 is greater, 8 is smaller. So student, we subtract 98 from 206 and we give sign here greater number. That is 206 before 206, minus is here, so we write minus and subtract 98 from 206. So here 16 minus 8, 8 is here. 9 minus 9, 0, and here 1. So 100 minus 108 is our answer. Now student, we solve question number 4 by yourself. Now find 5 question number. Find a sum of. First question is 137 and minus 354. Find the sum of, students. Sum up 137 and minus 354. 137 plus in bracket 354 is equal to 137 plus minus 354. Here 354 is greater than 137. So we give here minus sign before, because before 354 minus is here. So give minus sign and subtract 137 from 354. Now 14 minus 7, 7 is here. 4 minus 3, 1 is here. And 3 minus 1, 2. So minus 270 is our answer. Question number 9 of same question, that is 5. Ninth question is minus 312, comma 39 and 192. We find here sum. Solution. Minus 312 plus 39 plus 192 equal to minus 312. Both are same like term, that is 39 and 192, because before this plus is given, so we add with plus sign. 9 to 11 in hand 1, 9 3 12 1, 13 and 1 and 1 1 2. Here 312 is greater than 231, so give minus sign and subtract 231 from 312. Here 2 minus 1 is here, 11 minus 3, 8 is here, and 2 minus 2 cancel. So minus 81 is our answer. Question number 6. Find the additive inverse of. First question is minus 57. Student, here additive inverse means just change the sign. The additive inverse of minus 57 is normally we write here 57 answer. And students, if here question number second is 183, so for these students 183 we write answer minus 183 answers. Question number 7. Write the successor of each of the following. First question is 201. Student, we add 1 in 201. Here we add 1 in 201. So answer will 202. And question number 5 of 7 question minus 500. We also add 1 to minus 500. We get here minus 499. Similarly, student, question number 8. Write a predecessor of each one of the following. First question is 120. We subtract from 120. Your answer will, we subtract 1 from 120, answer will 190. And question number 5 is here, minus 300. Just you can see in book, minus 300. So we subtract 1 from minus 300, we get here minus 301. Question number 9 is simplify. First question is minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 12 plus minus 16. Simplify. Students, here we can see here, we break the bracket. So plus into minus, minus 7 plus minus, minus 9 plus 12 plus minus, minus 16. Minus 7, minus 9 and minus 16. These are like term, students. So we put together. Now student, 9 plus 7, 16, and 16 plus 16, 32. So we write with negative sign 32 plus 12. We subtract 12 from minus 32, minus 20, answer. You can solve all question of 9 by yourself. Now students, question number 10. A car travels 60 km to the north of Patna and then 90 km to the south from there. How far from Patna was the car finally? Students, a car travels 60 km to the north of Patna and then 90 km to the south. It means in opposite direction from there. How far from Patna was the car finally? Question number 10. A car travels 60 km to the north of Patna and then 90 km to the south from there. How far from Patna was the car finally, students here? Student, car travel from Patna to north direction 60 km and from there in south direction or to south direction 90 km. So how far from Patna was the car finally, students? Suppose students, this is Patna. So here, this is Patna, students. So this is Patna, and from Patna to north 60 kilometer, and from north to south 90 kilometer. So from Patna, what will distance this is? This is distance is student 90 minus 60, that is 30 kilometer. Now if you can see here, distance traveled in north from Patna equal to 60 kilometer, and distance traveled double LED in travel in south from north is equal to 90 kilometer. So going to question, this how far from Patna? So distance traveled from Patna is equal to 90 minus 60 kilometer, that is 30 kilometer. Actually students, distance travel in south from north. So here distance in opposite direction, so we write here negative sign. And also we write negative sign, and this is plus, so minus 30 kilometer in south. Answer. Question number 11. A man bought some pencils for rupees 30 and some pens for rupees 90. The next day he again bought some pencils for rupees 25. Then he sold all the pencils for rupees 20 and the pens for rupees 70. What was his net gain or loss? Students, here CP of some pencils equal to rupees 30. CP of some pens equal to rupees 90. Again in next day CP of some pencils equal to rupees 25. So total CP of things or pens or pencil, yes, pencils and pens, total CP of pencils and pens is equal to, we add here 30 plus 90 plus 25, and we write here 9312 to 145. Again students, his SP of, again SP of all the pencils equal to rupees 20, and SP of all the pens equal to rupees 70. So total SP of pencils and pens equal to, we add here 20 plus 70, rupees 90. Now according to question, here CP is greater than SP, so loss is here. So what is the formula of loss? Loss is CP minus SP. Therefore, CP is here 145 and SP is 90. So we subtract 90, so we get here 55. Therefore, loss is rupees 55 answer. Question number 12 is, for each of the following statements, write T for true and A for false. You can solve the student by yourself. Now question number 13. Find an integer A such that, first question is A plus 6 is equal to 0. A plus 6 is equal to 0. So here A is equal to 0 plus is, when plus transposition in right direction, then minus will be here. So 0 minus 6 minus 6. Has the value of A is equal to minus 6 answer. Now you can solve question number 2, 3, 4 of 13 by yourself. Please watch this video and take benefits. Thank you, students.